Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Zoom in 2025, and it will be a step-by-step guidelines video. Whether you are using it for work, school or virtual meeting, this video will help you to understand about Zoom further. So we will go through everything from sign up, joining a meeting, hosting your own, and key setting to look out for. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is Zoom actually? Actually, Zoom is a video conferencing platform, in fact, that lets you host and join virtual meetings, webinars, screen shares, and more. It's widely used for remote work, online classes, interviews, and even virtual events. It's free to use with paid options for longer meeting and more features. So here you can see we are already landed in Zoom platform, and here if you see the products, then you will get product list. They have meeting, team chat, phone, and you can explore it one by one. Then we can view the pricing option. If you click over here into the pricing, then here you will find out that their pricing is basic, is totally free, so anyone can sign up with this plan. Or if you want to purchase premium plan, like, then you will allow to use great features on Zoom. So here I'm going to click on free sign up. So first of all, I will click over here sign up. So if you create an basic plan, then here this kind of feature you will get unlimited meeting for up to 40 minutes and 100 participants each. Then automated captions to help make meetings more inclusive. Then it is secure and it has HD quality audio and video. Then 3 edited whiteboards. Then 4 theme and chat for collaboration, file sharing, and more. Then Zoom mail and calendar in the Zoom app, and many more. You can read it one by one. So you need to verify your age. Please confirm your birth year. This date will not be stored. So here I'm going to give my birth date 2002. Then I will click over here continue. Once I click over here, then eventually you will get the main options to create your account. So you can sign up with Google, then Apple, Facebook, Microsoft, or you can manually send your email address over that place, and you can create your account through this option. So I'm going to follow this easy process. I'll just click over here into the Google. Once I click over here into the Google, then it will redirect us to this page, and here you can see they are telling us to select our Gmail. So I already select this one, and let's click on continue. Even once I click over here, then it will redirect us to the Zoom panel, and here you can see welcome to Zoom, create your Zoom account with your Google account. This is our Gmail, and here you can see they are give us the option to select one. So let's check this out and let's read it. Check here if you are signing up on behalf of a school or other organization that provides educational service to children under the age of 18. No, I'm not choosing this one because I'm not an educator person. So I will click over here create continue. Once I click over here, then it will take a while and it will redirect us to this panel. So now you can see we have this dashboard panel, and we here have some sections. Enhance your meeting. Then we have these Zoom docs, Zoom clips. You can create clip from your Zoom. Then we have whiteboards also. So now the main thing is how we can create Zoom. So here we have these sections called download Zoom. You can download this application on your computer to use it without any hassle. So let's explore it one by one and let's discuss it. So first of all, there is a meeting option. Let's click over that place, and here you can see meeting. Why you need to be use this meeting? Welcome to Zoom meeting. So you can schedule a meeting here. Just click on schedule meeting. Once you click over here, now you can choose a time when your meeting will be held, and this way you can add whatever you want. Like here you can see they are choosing for topic. It will be a football meeting. Then they are asking for the date. This will be held on 2 and 6, not 6. It will be held on 9:30 p.m. and the duration will be 40 minutes. And let's select the time zone. Will be US, Canada, and recurring meeting. You can choose this one. Like you need to find out the people you are searching for. Like, this is my friend, I'm invite him at the gmail.com, and this is the person, so invite him. This way you can invite anyone in this Zoom meeting. Once you done, their meeting ID will be personal meeting, or you can generate automatically, so it's totally up to you. Or you can choose any template for your users. Then you can use whiteboard, docs, and this is the security passcode for you. This is the important thing in this panel, this meeting ID and this. Once you click on save, then it will be saved, and you will eventually find it into the upcoming meeting. Here you can see this is our upcoming meeting for football meeting. Then we can see the previous one, personal room, and also meeting templates. Then we have recording options where we can record our meeting. Like here you can see that store, stream, and download your video recording directly from Zoom Cloud. Record your live meeting to cloud storage for convenient downloading and streaming from a browser. Access cloud recording from any device and easily share them with others. Secure your group, chat, channel, and cloud storage backup. So here you can use it for download your whole meeting. Then we have whiteboard. What is the work of whiteboard? So here if I click one of them, then you can see if you are giving a presentation on meeting, then this whiteboard will be game changer for you. You can use this whiteboard to explain something, to discuss about a product or anything. So you can use this whiteboard or template. Then you can make note on Zoom. Here you can see you can create a note. Let's click on new note, and eventually you will get the option to make a note. I will go there and click on share, and you can share with any people, or you can copy the link and you just need to be shared the link to visit this panel. So I hope you understand what is the work of these sections, my product. Once you're done, then I will come back to that panel, and here I'm going to add a Zoom meeting. So how I can Zoom meeting, I can add in a Zoom meeting. This is really simple. You just need to be click on join, and here you need to be paste your Zoom meeting ID. Here you can see meeting ID and personal link name. So what is the personal meeting name or Zoom meeting ID? So if I get here, then here you will get see that meeting ID. This is the eventual meeting ID. Just copy it, let's paste it here and click on join. Once you click over here, now you can see your download should start in a few seconds. Our apps has been downloaded. Now you need to be install it for users on live meeting. This way you just need to be click on launch meeting. Once the launch meeting click, it will be redirect you to the application of the Zoom. Then you can easily integrate with the meeting. Then let's go and how we can host a meeting. It's a really great question. So you can do it by clicking on host. Once you click over here, then here you will get options. Let's click on Zoom meeting, launch meeting. Before you need to be use this host, you need to be install this application on your computer. Just go over here, and then it will take a while to install. As you can see, our application has been installed in our desktop. Then we can use our Zoom over that panel. So just click on yes, and now you can see click on this Zoom meeting has been come over that panel, Zoom workspace page. So we become host on here. This is football meeting, and I'm going to cross this one and join a meeting. You can join a meeting through this one, or you need to be signing. Just click on sign in, then click on Google. Similar process. You need to be fulfill all the necessary things to get introduced with this Zoom application. Once you've done, then here you can see our Zoom has been done. Now we are allowed to use it. So if you want to host it, just click on new meeting. Once you click over here, then you are eventually create and your meeting. So here you can see, let's click on same system. As you can see, our audio, video, we don't have any video, that's why we are not getting preview. Just click on start. Once you click over here start, then the Zoom will be held it for you. Here you can see it has been held and the audio is working. So the process is really simple. I hope you can see the participant also. Let's end it. I hope this video was really helpful for you. Let's wrap up here, and if you have any question related to this video, don't forget to ask me question in the comment box. And if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.